Welcome to BirdX, your trusted partner in bird control solutions. This video covers essential preparation and installation steps for our premium polyethylene bird netting. Our versatile netting suits many applications: parking garages, airplane hangars, loading docks, courtyards, outdoor dining areas, architectural and historical structures, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and equipment on roofs and structures. Our premium netting is the strongest, most durable knotted netting product available. It is offered in two sizes, 3/4 inches and 2 inches. It is also available in two colors, which are black and stone. It is UV stabilized and won't rot, mold, or conduct electricity. It is 100% humane and effective for all bird species. We offer a netting site survey checklist to help guide material selection, plan accessibility, budgeting, and permitting. You'll need the following hardware and tools for installation: corner attachments, intermediate attachments, mounting cable, turnbuckles, ferrules, ratchet tool, net rings, and the ring tool. Let's review the preparation and installation steps for our high-quality premium netting. Step 1. Conduct a thorough site survey using the BirdX Netting Site Survey Checklist. This will help ensure you have all the materials and supplies needed before installation. Be sure to measure accurately. For your convenience, we offer custom-cut netting to match your specifications. Custom-cut netting reduces waste, speeds installation, and ensures a perfect fit. BirdX can also accommodate custom-cut rush orders. Step 2. Open the netting and locate the corners, which will be marked with colored string, and stretch out all 4 corners to their full extent. This is important to the success of the installation and may require multiple people. Step 3. Measure and mark any outcuts needed for a perfect fit. Use zip ties for marking, and make the outcuts with sharp scissors. Step 4. To install primary attachments, select the right mounting hardware for the construction material. Use the expandable eye-bolt anchor for primary attachments into concrete. For primary attachments, use a screw eye for wood and an eye-bolt with a nut for metal. Place these attachments at each corner or end, and ensure there is one every 20 feet. Use a support span every 50 feet. Step 5. Plan and install your anchors. Place primary corner attachments securely in each corner and every 40 to 50 feet for larger installations. The intermediate attachments consist of a bracket and hilty pin or a multi-purpose bracket and should be installed every 1.5 to 2 feet. We suggest one attachment every 1.5 feet for 3/4 inches of netting and one secondary attachment every 2 feet for 2-inch netting. Once the intermediate anchors are installed, you will use a mounting cable, also known as a stringing wire, to frame the entire netting area. The mounting cable will be fed through the intermediate attachments. You will use a small turnbuckle for runs up to 25 feet, a medium turnbuckle for 50-foot runs, and a large turnbuckle for 100-foot runs. When you reach the end of one side, attach the cable to a fully open turnbuckle to tension the wire. Loop the cable through the turnbuckle ring, back through the ferrules, and pull it tight. Crimp the ferrules, then rotate the turnbuckle to tighten further. Then attach the netting to the cable using a hog ring tool, starting at the corner or end. Repeat this process for each length of netting. Our BirdX premium polyethylene netting comes with a 10-year warranty. Thank you for choosing BirdX. For more information or to place an order, visit our website or contact your local sales representative. BirdX Bird Control made easy.